Good morning to one and all present here.
So let's start this morning with a good joke. Let me crack one. So tell me, Risha, what did an angry zombie tell another zombie during dinner?
What?
You could use a little peace of mind. Funny, right?
Did you say peace?
Oh, wait. Yes, I did. So by peace, do you mean a stress-free state of security and calmness that comes when there's no fighting or war? Everything coexisting in perfect harmony and freedom?
Yes, exactly. So do you know why we're talking about peace today? On the 24th of September, the world comes together to celebrate world peace, to spread tranquility and prosperity into their surrounding. And here we are, students from DP 1 and 2, sharing the same aim.
So today's thought of the day. Peace is a result of retraining your mind to process life as it is, rather than you think it should be, by Wayne Dyer. I repeat, peace is a result of retraining your mind to process life as it is, rather than you think it should be, by Wayne Dyer.
Hello, this is Alicia reporting from, my house.
And this is Achishmita reporting from her hallway. To make it clear, we are maintaining social distancing and we are here together due to advanced technology.
Today's international news. Historic peace deal in Sudan signed during historic flooding.
Robots uses artificial intelligence to serve dinner at Seoul, Italy.
Our national news. Coronavirus. 10 states account for 77% of active COVID-19 cases, set by the government. Look forward to jointly take a special strategic partnership to new heights, said Modi to the New Japan PM.
Sports news. Yeah.
So, New Delhi World Cup decisive for Tokyo Olympics qualification ISSF and IPL 2020 began, guys. So, it began on the 19th September, and today's match will be of SRH against RCB.
And finally, the Gurukul news. The campus is lonely and peaceful without our enthusiastic students. Term 1 is approaching soon. MIT Gurukul students shared some lovely e-greetings and video messages for our beloved teachers on the occasion of Teachers' Day. So usually when you practice arts, dance, or any creative activity, you tend to express your emotions truthfully and are able to relax and find comfort from your actions and surrounding. It's an honest way of letting go of yourself and embracing a truth. A way of finding peace and calmness in and around you.
Considering how this activity is a step towards exploring peace, our students from the Art, Music, Dance and Film department have prepared an interesting show for us today. Let's see what they have in store for us.
So first off, we have Samara Johar from DP2 dancing on the beats of some splendid music. Let's go see the pieces together.
Each year, the International Day of Peace is observed around the world on 24th September. The UN General Assembly has declared this day devoted to strengthening the idea of peace through observing 24 hours of non-violence and ceasefire.
The world comprises of individual people. If each individual is in peace, the world will be in peace. So let's find that inner peace within ourselves by listening to the music created by the students of the music department.
the moon and thank God I'm breathing. Then I pray, don't take me soon, 'cause I am here for a reason.
Sometimes in my tears I drown, but I never let it get me down. So when negativity surrounds, I know someday it'll all turn around, because all my life I've been praying for, I've been waiting for the people to say that we don't want to fight no more. There'll be no more wars, and our children will play one day.
One day, one day,
One day,
one day.
one day.
It's not about win or lose. We all lose when they feed on the souls of the innocent. Blood-drenched pavement, keep on moving through the water, stay raging.
In this maze, you can lose your way, your way. It might drive you crazy, but don't let it freeze you. No way, no way.
Sometimes in my tears I drown, but I never let it get me down. So when negativity surrounds, I know someday it'll all turn around, because
All my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the people to say that we don't want to fight no more. There'll be no more wars, and our children will play one day,
one day,
one day.
one day, one day, one day.
Say the song will change, treat people the same. Stop with the violence, stop with the hate.
One day we'll all be free and proud to be under the same sun, singing songs of freedom like one day, one day, one day, one day.
All my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the people to say that we don't want to fight no more. There'll be no more wars, and our children will play one day, one day, one day, one day, one day, one day.
Pranayam, chanting of peace mantra. Sarvesham swasthi bhavatu. Sarvesham shantir bhavatu. Sarvesham purnam bhavatu. Sarvesham mangalam bhavatu. Om shanti shanti shanti. Now we have our art department doodling their way into our day.
version of that Sanskrit shloka you just recited so that all of us understand what we are aspiring for. Let there be happiness within us. Let there be beauty around us. Let there be love among us. Let there be peace everywhere. Peace, peace, peace. Oh, that is nice. That's so peaceful. But I still have one doubt.
Tell me, what is it?
Why did we chant Shanti for 3 times?
Okay, good question. Let me tell you. So the first time is for us to have peace. The second time is to get peace for all the people in this world, so no one will get any thought of destruction or harm anybody. And the third time is for the elements of nature to be peaceful, so that we will not have any disasters.
And finally, here we are towards the culmination, organized by the dance department.
A message from our teachers to convey the gratitude of the love received by students on the special occasion of Teachers' Day. Thank you to all.
Thank you to all our lovely students.
Bye. Bye.
Annyeong. Bye.
Bye. Bye.